Okay, this is the mystery picture assignment. Remember that this is for fun. It is not for a grade. So do your best on it, but don't worry too much if you don't get it completed. So what you're basically going to be doing is solving problems on the next slides, and then you're going to use that to fill in this grid with the proper squares. So for example, if you solve a problem, say for this one right here, we need to find the constant of proportionality. And the constant of proportionality here should be 1/4 because remember in our equation, it's whatever the number is. So there's two variables and then the number is your constant of proportionality. And by that, I mean the number multiplied by another variable. So I need to look back on my chart here for any time I see 1/4, and then I'm going to put in this image, the one with the light green on top and the dark green on bottom. And then what I do when I do that is, see, looks like it's this one, Control C, and I'm going to look for every time it says 1/4 on this table. So now I'm going to put Control V, and you do have to copy and paste. You can't just pull them over because there's only one copy of each. So every time I see a 1/4, I'm going to cover that square with this symbol because that is what was on part A. And so you'd want to go through and make sure you click every 1/4 and make sure that square is in every one of the ones that says 1/4. And I'm just going over the grid back and forth with my finger to make sure. It looks like I got them all. So then I would solve B. Erica ran 2 miles in 18 minutes and Y miles in Erica ran 2 miles in 18 minutes and 3 miles in 27 minutes. So we know that this is going to be about how many miles or how many minutes she ran. So we would take that 18 divided by 2 and we would get 9. And everywhere we see a 9, we're going to put that full red square. So again, you come over here, you hit Control C, Control V. So every time I see a 9, I'm going to cover it up with a red square. And I just get new squares by hitting Control V. You got to hit Control and hold it and then move it over the 9s. And you'd want to do that for every single 9 that there is. So the first thing that you're doing is solving for these problems, and then you're going to put the correct color over each one of those boxes. Remember, this is just supposed to be a fun thing. If it gets too difficult, let me know. All right. I hope that helps.